Friday. It is so great to see you. I am so happy. We made it through our first week and you did a great job. I know that there was some bumps in the road. I know it's a little tricky, but I'm proud of each one of you. Let's get started with today's lesson. I know you're gonna do such a great job. So you need to go to Google Classroom, get the link for the assignment, right? You go over to classwork. We're gonna be looking at some molar mass practice problems, okay? I'm only giving you a few, but some of them are tricky. I'm gonna go over the first one with you to refresh your brain because I know it was on an entire day since we looked at the molar mass of molecules. And then I'm gonna let you get started. Make sure you submit it when you're done. Don't forget to press submit. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the molar mass of common compounds. It's gonna be the name of the document that you're working on. You can either print it out and do it physically and then send a picture in Google Classroom, or you can make a copy and work on it digitally and then submit that. Whatever works for you, you're awesome. Okay, so the first molecule, if you look at your document, that we're going to be calculating the molar mass for is water. So what I like to do, and you already have it written down, is write down the formula, okay? Then we need to look at what are the molar masses of the two chemicals, or all the elements that are in here. And in this case, there's two. We have hydrogen and oxygen, okay? Now, what we need to do is figure out, by looking at the periodic table, what's the molar mass of each one of these elements. And my favorite periodic table on the internet, it's www.table, so ptable.com. That one works great, but you can use whatever you want. So hydrogen, if you look at the periodic table, has a molar mass of 1.00, I think it's 308. If it's only 2 zeros, I'm wrong, and that's fine. I make mistakes all the time. Yep, it's only 2 zeros. Okay, 1.008 grams per mole. When you write your answer, always include grams per mole. Always include the units, or I'm grumpy, then I'll say, oh, 1.008 bagels. Ooh. No. Okay, and oxygen has a molar mass of, I'm looking at that periodic table right now, 15.99 grams per mole. Okay, so we add them up, right? No, oh, I heard that. No, Mr. Talley, we don't do that. What we need to do is take into consideration how many of each element there are. In water, there's 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. So I'm gonna multiply the number of hydrogens by 2 and the number of oxygens by 1. I just multiply it by 1 because then it looks all the same and it's nice. Okay, if we do our quick math right here, this is gonna be 2.016 grams per mole. And if we do this quick math, it's gonna be 15.99 grams per mole. Okay, and then now we can add them up. We're gonna add this up, and 18.006 grams per mole. 18.006 grams per mole. That's how you do it. That's gonna be your final answer. You're gonna write that in the blank. You've got a few more to do. If you have any questions, text your friend, send me an email. But you can do it. All you gotta do is look at your formula, look at the individual elements in each formula, multiply the molar mass of that element by the subscript, and then add them up, and you're done. You're amazing. Have a great weekend. Make good choices.